This one got hit in the back and it actually buckled both of the frame rails.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona. I do this for real.
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
All right, I have this aluminum F-150. It's nice and flush. My gap looks nice and even. So I'm roughly sitting this bedside on there in order to make sure this wheelhouse is sitting where I want it so it fits correctly. I'll have to run over all my bare aluminum one more time quickly in the morning. Well, I got this bedside and the wheelhouse and everything all in. I'm gonna let the glue dry on that. And in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and get this cab of the truck primed up. And then a little later, I'll come and clean this up once all the glue's dry. So I'm seam sealing this door because it had seam sealer around it from the factory, and this is self-leveling. It's called 3M Easy Sand. It's actually a plastic repair, but they promote it for self-leveling seam sealer as well, and it actually looks perfect when it's all done. So all of these brush strokes will actually smooth out and it'll look factory. I have a 2017 Jeep Cherokee here. This one got hit in the back and it actually buckled both of the frame rails right here in the same spot on the other side. So it's gonna get these back sections. There's a joint right here. But I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna clamp this one up and measure it and make some pulls and get everything squared up before I cut it apart. Alright, now I'm going to measure this frame. First thing, I have to pick 5 points in the center of the vehicle to match the measuring system to the vehicle so it knows exactly where it's sitting. Then, once I do that, I can measure the back rails and see how far off they are and where I need to pull everything to. A bunch of different attachments for this, and it tells you which ones to use depending on which point you're going to. Alright, so now I'm going to come back to the back and measure the rear frame rails and see how far off they are. Alright, I'm going to make some pulls on this. When this one got hit and it folded up this frame rail, it actually pushed this up. So whenever it kind of went down, it went up. I almost think it would be the opposite, but I'm going to go ahead and make some down pulls and bring this down and square up this back end. Alright, I got this one pulled out to where it measures out correctly. The only problem I'm having is this door gap. This was moved forward and it's not wanting to come and stay out. And that frame rail is about to rip in half right here. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm putting this back section in. I think I'm going to grab the body whenever I cut this out. Grab the actual body and see if I can pull it and get this to open up the rest of the way.